Um, Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Today is the 17th on this capacity building training for 1000 Nigerian Civil Servants on ICT, which is organized by Hammad Technology and Consultancy Limited. So, as always, we'll start by showing our outlines. And our outlines for today, we have a recap on the 16 letterhead and types of letterhead, simple letterhead design, then question and answer session, then we have conclusion. So, a quick recap on the 16. We know how to customize the text using shortcut keys from Control N to Control Z. So things we completed our shortcut keys, which are from Control A to Control Z. And then we have letterhead and types of letterhead. So a letterhead. Letterhead is the heading at the top of business or official letter. It usually contains organization name, logo, address, contact details, and sometimes a tagline, and it makes a letter look professional and authentic. So a letterhead is a letter that represents a company or organization or school or even personal. You can create personal letterhead, which by mere looking at it, the receiver knows this letter came from so company or this letter come from so organization or so union. So at the head, it contains a sender name, sender address, sender email, and sender phone number. That's what letterhead is. Then we now go take a look at some types of letterhead that we have. So types of letterhead. We have company letterhead, which we can use for business. You can send it the receiver say this. You know that this letter came from so 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 uh, person, or so place, or so private company. You can do it for private company and place. Then we have school letterhead, that's for educational institution, which by now looking at it, they know this letter came from so institution, or so union in the school, or so department. So you then we have personal letterhead, that's for individual, lawyer, doctors, consultant, ETs. But you can create a personal letterhead for lawyers as for doctor, then you can create also for consultant. Then we have government letterhead, that's for ministries, agencies, and official government work. Then we have associated letterhead, that's for union, clubs, and professional bodies. So we'll now go with simple letterhead design. We'll go now and create a simple letterhead design so that you can see how you can create a simple letterhead design. So let me just share my screen now. So this is my screen. So before you start, you have to make sure that you come to this layout, make sure your paper is you change your paper to A4, then you continue like this. So like this, you can change the size. So you select A4, then you come back to, so before we start, we are going to insert a text box, which is where we're going to add the head of our letter so that You know how you can add text box back inside. Then enter shapes, and you can design your shape like this. This is where you add your header. So now we'll write a simple letterhead design for company, which I'll use my company, which is Hammad Technology and Consultancy Limited. So let me just start. Let's say Hammad Limited. So this is the name of the company. Then we'll have address, which is paste. So then we'll add email address, which is, let's see, then we have a phone number. Let's see. Practice. So after you finish writing the header of your letterhead, so now you just customize it. You start by making it no spacing. Then we make it center. Then we will change the font style to Times New Roman. This. Then we increase the size here. Then we also increase this one. Like this. So we'll make this one capitalize it short like this. So then we're going to remove the fill of the shape. It's no fill. Then outline, say no outline. And then we're going to add another text box. So that's where we write right, we like this. We write your right. Then we also move it like this. Then we write date. So we're going to customize this text box also. We remove the fill, remove the outline. Then we change the font style to, let's say, Christina, like this. Then we're going to bold it. So this is why you draw a line here like this. Then you come here and you see the line is not straight. Then you'll come here and make it 0 like this, so that the line will look straight. So you're going to then you're going to duplicate it. Then you take this one here. Then also you make it 0. Then you take this one also. Make it 0 so that it looks straight. Then let's also duplicate this and insert it here. Also like this. Then we're going to add more weight to this line. Like this, you want to check format and add weight. Let's make it 3 point like this. Then we're going to now insert our logo. We're going to insert the picture. Let's say from this device. Now we're just going to reduce its size. Let us just make it true so that we can reduce its size like this. Let's see. As you can see, the picture has background, so you're going to send it back. Yeah, like this. Send to back. So this is how you create a simple letterhead design in MS Word. So now we're going to print preview it so that you can see how it will look like. So this is how you create a simple letterhead in MS Word. And tomorrow, inshallah, you'll see how you create a design and customize letterhead in MS Word, which will add watermark and will add some design in it. And you'll see. And for now, this is a simple letterhead, and this is how you will can create it in MS Word. So I think this is the end of our class today. And as always, if you have any question, please drop it in chat and I'll respond to it.